First of all, just open any browser you want. In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome and then just type in Microsoft.com. For my case, this is again in false language. 2+ will do it, and then yeah, just navigate on the top right corner. Or first of all, just sign in with your account, and then when you're signed in, navigate in the top right corner on your profile here and click on My Microsoft Account. And then a page looking something like this should open, and here, first of all, make sure that you are signed in with the right account, and then head over to your info. So either click on the top left corner or here on your info, and then it should load a page with your date of birth, your country, and so on. And then just click on date of birth. And here, just change your date of birth however you want it, however you want it. And yeah. And then just click on save. And that's how easy it is. There's really nothing more to it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer your comments as quickly as possible, so just leave me a comment. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.